Today we will read chapter 6 of English 3rd class, Bird Talk. This is a poem and its writer is Eileen Fisher. In this poem, two birds are talking about the humans. They are talking that how humans are different from them. Think, said the robin. Robin is the name of bird. Think, said the jay. Jay is also name of another other bird sitting in the garden. Both birds, robin and jay, are sitting in the garden talking one day. One day they are talking to each other. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They are talking. Two birds, robin and jay, are talking about how the humans are different from them. The birds find the people around them to be funny. They are thinking about the humans. They are thinking that the humans are very funny. They ask each other to have a proper look at the humans and notice the way they grow. They find that humans don't have feathers. These are the feathers. You can say it's punk. That humans have no feathers and wings like them. They don't eat beetle. Here beetle is an insect. Because birds eat insects, they are talking that humans don't eat beetle and they don't grow wings. They are not wings, and their eating habits are also not similar, as they do not eat beetles and other insects like them. After on wires and things like they do. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Birds, you have seen mostly, they sits on wires and they think hard and finally come to the conclusion. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? They think hard and finally come to the conclusions that humans are strange and funny peoples, as they do not like eat and live like them. Through this poem, both two birds are talking that humans are different. They do not have feathers. They do not eat beetles. They do not have wings. They do not sit on wires. And now they conclude that they do not look, eat, and live like them. Through this poem, the poet wants to convey the message that all living beings have been created by the same force, but they all are different and unique in their own way. We may find them strange and funny, but one must learn to appreciate the difference and respect the uniqueness. Today you will read the poem and also you will enjoy. There are two birds, robin and jay. They are talking on humans, that humans are different from them. So its writer is Eileen Fisher. Today you will read this poem 2 or 3 times and also you will recite and enjoy this poem and try to find out its difficult words. Okay.